For the information of the committee, Mr. Chair, from 125,000 in 2014 to 3 million in 2015. The cash or the current assets skyrocketed in 2018 to 67,775,800 pesos. San po nanggaling itong napakalaking perang ito? How do you describe the nature of this ownership when it is only 0.8% being shared by 3? Because, to my opinion, they are nominal, if not dummy.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, they're not dummies. I think the correct term is they are nominal shareholder.